Hello, my friend, Stephanie Barnard, The Stamps of Life, and it is one of my favorite segments to do. It is called a 30-second card in 5 minutes. Now, sometimes it's longer, sometimes it's shorter. You just honestly never know, because I never know, because I don't know what I'm going to do until I actually do it. It's kind of one of those fly by the seat of my pants type things. Now, it's just a fun thing we do. We started this literally 14 years ago. So we've been doing this segment for a long time. And I literally thought I could make a 30-second card. And Ken said, okay, I'm going to time you. And we videotaped it. And let me just tell you, if you've never seen it, you need to go watch it. So go find it. It's somewhere on YouTube. It's 14 years ago. You got to go find it. It's worth it. Anyway, we're going to move on. And I'm kind of thinking I might use, or I probably will use, our 4x4 square card die, because I want to use our new, well, new to me, 4x4 card front drop-in. So that's kind of my goal. I'm not quite sure. I have 3 colors here, my pixie, my grape, and my powdered sugar. And we're just going to see what happens, because as you know, I don't know what's going to happen. You don't know what's going to happen. No one knows until the end. Where'd my die go? I got to find it. Kenny, are you ready to start the time? He gave me a thumbs up. Ooh, I can't have that there. Let's move that there. Okay. So let me think. I got to make this go. Okay. Hang on. I got to see what. Oh, good. I can use this. Okay. Kenny, on your marks. Get set. I'm getting over here, getting closer to my die cut machine. On your marks, get set. Start the time. Dun, 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 dun. So I am going to lay that down and I'm going to run that through. I just need my 4x4 card base. So this is the 4x4 card die set. And I'm going to fold that in half. Boom, halfway done, right? So now I'm going to grab this one that we just released, and I want to do it in purple. And let's see, I need to, let's see, hang on. Okay, do it this way. And I want to drop in one of those dies. Ooh, let's do the swirl. So we're going to drop this down. We're going to line this up right on the inside. Now I am going to use masket tape to tape this, because there's no way in the world I want this to move, right? So I do need to spend an extra second just lining these all up, lining that one up, and then making sure that one's dropped in there just like that. And then I'm going to tape those babies down, because if they move, I'm going to be in trouble. And I don't want that to happen. So I am taking an extra second to do that. It will be worth it. And I'll lay that one down too, just in case. And we're going to take this over. Now that swirl is kind of intricate, right? It's a little intricate, and I don't want to have any problems. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it through twice. I'm going to run it through once. So I'm making the frame. Ooh, that was a big one, right? And then I'm just going to move it back. A little bit of a speed bump there. Did you hear that noise? So now we're going to bring this over, if all else works. If it works, oh, we're good, we're good. Popping this out, we have 2 little chads on either side. Gonna grab that. Oh, be gentle with those swirls. You don't want them to break. And we're gonna pull that up. There we go, there we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There's one. Come on, come on, come on. Now, if I would have been smart about this, I would have added adhesive to this already. Didn't think about it. Now, I'm gonna take the biggest die, just the biggest die, and I'm gonna use Pixie. And I am just going to die cut that really fast. So we're going to run that through. There we go. That only needs 1 pass, definitely. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put some of this together. Oh, come on. We're going to put some of this together. First, we're going to grab this. We're going to add some adhesive. There we go. And I'm looking at this going, that looks great. We're going to just add this right to the front, right there. Perfect. Now, I got to figure out how I'm going to get adhesive on this. And I honestly think the best way to do it is some liquid glue. There it is, on the floor, of course, because where else would it be? Now, I have to do a couple little pokes, because I see a couple that just haven't fallen out yet. So we got to get those out of there. So they're easy to poke, but got to make sure they're out of there, right? Poke, poke, poke. There we go. Now, we're going to add some liquid glue to this, because I didn't think ahead of time. So I'm doing just dot, dot, not a lot, right? Just a little tiny thin. Little thin. Thin, 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 thin. And maybe we're going to just add 1 or 2 right here. There we go. There we go. Okay. Oh, missed a spot. Just a little tiny bit. Now, what I like to do usually is find a piece of scratch paper and just kind of go like this to get all the little extra blobs of glue that might have happened. So now it's just going to be a little flatter, which that means less leakage. We don't want any leakage. So we're going to lay this down. Look at how gorgeous this is going to be, you guys. So we added that. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. Got that. Now we need to do some stamping here, right? First of all, put some lid on your glue and let's get some stamps out. And oh, sending you happy thoughts. We definitely want that one. Sending you happy thoughts. Grab a block. This is a brand new stamp set. Ooh, do I have, oh, Pixie. Pixie might be, let's grab grape. Hang on, oh darn, I should have had grape out, right? Let's grab grape. Get it out of there. Grab our grape. Now this is a brand new stamp set, so I do need to ink it and stamp it on scratch first. Ink and find some scratch, stamp, perfect. Ink, stamp on scratch. There we go. Sending you happy thoughts. That looks fantastic, but I need more, right? You guys, it needs more. So let's look over here. What do we have? Let's grab some embellishments. Ah, da, 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 da. Ah, da, 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 da. Ooh, that one might work. See, you guys, proof I don't plan these ahead. Oh, da, 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 da. Oh, yellow flowers wouldn't work. Yellow flowers. Okay, we're going to use these. So what we're going to do is we're going to add, look at this, sending you happy thoughts. And I think that's all we really need is just that one. And so now what we're going to do is we have to flip this over. I like this one. I wish I was there to help you heal. So we're going to open this up. So I should get extra credit for all this stamping, you guys, because seriously. Okay. I wish I was there to help you heal. One last thing, we need a background. Almost done, Ken, you better get ready, you better get ready. I'm going to stamp my personalized, stop. Okay. Take a breath. I always forget to breathe sometimes. So here we go, dun, 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 dun. Let's kind of clean up this little area here. And I wasted a lot of time looking for this, looking for that. Luckily, I'm fairly organized on most things, so I knew where my grape ink pad was going to be. So being organized in my Totally Tiffany Stephanie bag, named after me, by the way. So at least I knew where things were, so I could grab them quickly. So here we go. Here's the final product. Sending you happy thoughts. We have our cute little glitter heart on there. That was one of our Kit Club items a long time ago. Open that up. I wish I was there to help you heal. And then on the back, I have my personalized stamp. Cherish this card like a treasure. I made it just for you. Hugs, Stephanie. Not bad if I do say so myself. So Ken, what? I know you're going to tell me the damage. So go ahead, break it to me. What was it? Pat myself on the back. That was not bad, my friends. Keep in mind, I stamped 3 different things. I die cut multiple items, had to go searching for a couple things. So what was my time? 5 minutes and 22 seconds. I think that is freakishly fantastic, don't you? I'm proud of myself on that one because I did a lot of stamping. Ah! My friends, thank you so much. Thank you for joining me for another episode of a 30-second card in 5 minutes and 22 seconds. I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunrise out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart and feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if you never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good, and there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could have it like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, baby. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. See 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if you never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good, and there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could have it like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl.
Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.